G'day guys, today we have another Catch Pro vid. We're just going to have a look at some of the products that we have. Most of you have seen some of the products with some of the newer audience that only knows the Catch Pro, now can get a good overview of all of this stuff. We're joined with our pal BJ from TBL Property Maintenance in Brizzy. He's running a whole bunch of the gear, and we are going to do some stuff with him later. We've got the Comfort Trim shin guards, which are a fairly new product and fairly different to anything else that is on the market here. BJ's obviously got much thicker pegs than someone like me, so we're going to give him a run, see how he feels, see how they breathe, because it's very important to not be too hot and sweaty with all of that stuff on when you're trying to get your work done. So I'm going to start with the advanced chute system. It's an operator controlled discharge chute for your zero turn mowers, and the biggest positive to this is that you're able to control where your discharge clippings, where your debris is being aimed at. So if you've got pedestrians, glass windows, cars, even if it's garden beds or pathways, you're able to control those discharge clippings with a lever. Also, if you keep your chute down, you can mulch up a whole bunch of stuff and then open it, do another pass, and you're able to fling that away. So look guys, in the US, these are heavily marketed towards 48 inches and up. In our market, we have a lot of 42 inch, 36 inch carts. We still have heaps of 48 and 52s as well. These will work on a bunch of different 42s and 36s as long as you have room on that deck for the plate that it will fit, and you can even trim the plate down. Very easy installation. It's just 3 bolts. So if you're on the Catch Pro website and you're looking at the advanced chute and you don't see any info on, you might have a 42 inch Gravely, it will still work on those decks. Any of the other decks like your Raptors or your Country Clippers, anytime our Catch Pro brackets or adapters that we use for them will allow you to also use the advanced chute system, because the top of the deck ends up with a capping on and you can just bolt these straight down. So that's the advanced chute. Now, BJ is running the Pro Mask. We have black and camo, and the camo has been super popular. We sold out really quickly, but we do have more in the air. So BJ, with the beard, how did you find, comfortability and all of those things?
It works for me. The seal that I get from this is superior to the other masks that I've tried. Zero fog. As you can see, I wear aviators, so they drop down and the mask almost meets the glasses.
So what we find, we're being asked, whether these will, obviously when you're wearing a mask, yes, you're going to get like more heat and stuff like that. That's normal. But what actually happens here is you have your filter inside, so you've got filtered air that you breathe in through here, and this is a one-way. So when you breathe out, all the air is being exhaled out of here, and it can escape, so it doesn't come up through out here and clog up your eyes. So look, it's a really comfortable. It's very simple. It's a comfortable mask. It's not something that, like, in my personal business at Greenscape Solutions, we don't. This is not an everyday. We just use it in mega dusty conditions, which at the moment we're all having. So as always, we've got the Darwin's Grip guys. We're getting heaps of excellent feedback on these. So all I just want to make sure with this is that left-hand operators know that yes, this will work. You just flip the clamps around. It's going to work on mostly different styles. Guys that are using stick edges, we've got a great bloke, Mow and Grow, Martin. He gave us an excellent vid using a stick edger with a Darwin's Grip, and it allows you to get into that motion and just go for it. So whether you're flat trimming, we've shown you how to do upright edges, or your stick edging. Darwin's Grip is a goer. So we've also got the gloves, and we have XLs coming. They'll be here in a couple of days. So it's just a really nice comfy glove and super durable, guys. So at Bunnings, you know, you can grab a standard glove or something, and eventually, you know, the fingertips wear out and stitching comes undone. These are rock solid, so get on them. Great for, you know, when you're doing bougainvillea, or just anytime you don't want your hands to get demolished by, you know, branches and stuff like that. So also, we've got the Catch Pro. This is about to launch in the US soon, so that's really exciting. We're constantly getting, adding new supported models to those. So, you know, if you don't see your model on there, if you don't see your supported model, whatever it is, it just means that, doesn't mean that we don't have a fit up for it, it just means that we haven't come across one yet. So feel free to send in your pics of the decks, and we can let you know straight away which bracket you need, or if it even needs a bracket, you know, whatever. Just feel free to reach straight out to us. One of the guys will get back to you really quickly. Okay, so we're going out to the field with BJ. He's going to have the Darwin's Grip and the Comfort trims, if you want to give people a look. So this is how he is with them. Now, hey, people are saying to us, come on Ben, we're not going to wear these. But hey, they really work, and they really, like the name says it all, they really are comfort trims. So once again, this might not be an item that you would use. Some guys do use shin pads all the time, but you know, if you've got certain jobs where you know you're going to get hammered by rocks or sand or gum leaves or whatever it is, these can just, and we'll show you later, BJ just slipped them straight over his boots, bang, off he goes for that particular job. So stay tuned and have a look at the next vid for that. Thanks guys.